In conjunction with the field evaluation conducted across Delhi and Mumbai to test its new tyre Michelin Energy XM2, Michelin conducted yet another field test. The purpose of this field test was to compare in a controlled manner the tyre wear characteristics of Michelin Energy XM2 with other leading brands in the same segment. 4 brands were studied in this field test: Michelin Energy XM2, Michelin XM1 Plus, and 2 more leading competition tyre brands in India. It was decided to use Tata Indica as the test vehicle, as it is the most used vehicle in the taxi segment and is one of the basic model in the passenger car segment used widely across India. For the purpose of the test, 4 brand new Tata Indicas of the same make and model were used. All the 4 vehicles were procured together. A fixed route of 360 kilometers was mapped out for the field test. The route was decided keeping in mind that the vehicles have to negotiate different types of roads like city roads, highways and expressways, which is representative of urban usage. The route also provided realistic traffic conditions for the vehicles. Before the actual testing started, the drivers were made to drive on the mapped route to familiarize them with the route. They were also trained on driving requirements for the test. Each vehicle was fitted with sophisticated GPS system to monitor the vehicles. The GPS also provided various other data like speed violation report, route followed report, start and end report, total distance covered report, etc. All the 4 vehicles were also geofenced to ensure consistent usage. For the purpose of the test, each vehicle was marked with different numbers. In order to simulate passengers, all the 4 vehicles were loaded with 3 sandbags each. It was ensured that the weight of each sandbag was 75 kilograms, which is considered to be the average standard weight of an Indian passenger with luggage. Each vehicle was fitted with a set of tyres of one brand. One vehicle was fitted with Michelin Energy XM2 tyres, second one with Michelin XM1 Plus, the third with Competition 1, the fourth with Competition 2 tyres. Before the fitment, each tyre was carefully balanced and weighed. After fitment, the tyre alignment of each vehicle was checked by a trained technician. The air pressure in each tyre was also checked and corrected to the proper inflation pressure based on load per axle as per ET-RTO chart. The vehicles were then made to run on the defined test route. The vehicles were closely monitored using the GPS. The drivers took 3 breaks during the drive at predestined places. During the break, they inspected the tyres to make sure the pressure was fine. On every break, drivers were switched in a systematic predefined manner to nullify the driver's effect. At the end of each day, the tyre pressures were checked again by Michelin engineers. At the end of each cycle of 4 days, the vehicles were checked again for alignment, which was done with very tight OE specification. For the sake of accuracy and to negate any unforeseen variation, the set of tyres were rotated from one vehicle to another in a regulated pattern. In this manner, each set of tyres clocked equal number of kilometers on each vehicle. After every 1,450 kilometers, the tyre tread depth and tyre weight were measured to evaluate the tyre wear rate and the readings carefully recorded. It took approximately 4 months of meticulous planning, vigilant execution and careful monitoring to complete the field test. At the end of the exercise, the final readings were recorded. The tread depth measurement comparison as well as the tyre weight loss comparison was also made for an accurate evaluation. After completing a total of 20,300 kilometers by each set of tyres, the results of all the readings were compiled. The test results show that for wear life, Michelin Energy XM2 is at least 19% better than Michelin XM1 Plus. Michelin Energy XM2 is at least 18% better than competition 1. Michelin Energy XM2 is at least 52% better than competition 2.
Michelin, a better way forward.